Welcome to the video, guys. First order of business, we gotta get all this cleaned up. Alright, let's clean this place up. For you guys, it should only be a second. Alright. Since that was done, now we can build my new engine crane and my engine stand. So I'll do a little time lapse for you guys while I get those together.
Say the word, say the word. Say the word, come on. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Forget about that better place. And I know you're healing, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop breathing. Reasons we should forget about this place, but I don't wanna leave here if you're just gonna stay. Changing like the seasons, been wasting all this time. Should be like satellites cast beyond the sky. Leave our fate for another day. Riding these horizons, we'll find our way. We'll leave our fate and fade into the night. Just follow me to paradise. Just say we tried. Say the word and we can run.
Alright, so as you can see, the hoist is all built. Now I'm going to move on to the engine stand. That took a little longer than I hoped for, but let's see how this goes. You can see we got the engine stand and the engine hoist done. Only took me about, I don't know, a couple hours, sadly. Should have been quicker, but I don't know, I had some issues positioning the supports for the engine hoist. So the engine stand took no time at all though, so that was good. But other than that, hey guys, just jumping ahead here. I figured I would actually end the video here. Be sure to stay tuned, because I'll definitely be pumping out some videos here in the near future now that I'm actually working on the car. Things like engine reassembly, painting various components in the engine bay, and other things like that. I'm hoping to get in a rhythm here with consistent uploads from now on, so feel free to like and subscribe for future content, and as always, see you in the next video.